Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is about awareness, particularly martial awareness, maybe sort of personal space awareness. I'm kind of thinking about how I might feel. How we often will practice Tàijíquán is in a field, in a park, in an open space, in a room, gymnasium or something, and we might feel that a particular movement has vulnerabilities on one side or the other, or they might feel like a particular move feels really ready to defensively address the situation. Um, and what I like to do is kind of consider and compare that feeling that I have when I have my flanks covered, right? So how does a given move here make me feel? If this is a hallway or if this is my two buddies, on either side, how does this, do I have more or less confidence? Obviously, there's certain moves I couldn't do here, big sweepy open moves. And then maybe that same movement I feel very confident with here, but here as I've stepped out from the flanks, I don't feel as confident, or I remain confident in some directions, but less so in others. So sometimes I'll try that just barely with the flanks covered, sort of the rear flanks rather than the forward flanks. Other times now I feel, quite, can I draw somebody into this? Or if I'm just inside, what's that feeling? I don't know how well this reads on camera, by the way. But play with your flanks being covered, exposed, and sort of tune into the senses of that. And do you make presumptions about your art and your ability to apply it and how you'd feel about applying it based really on just the open space that you might ordinarily practice in? So practice around a corner or in a hallway the way you might practice if you used it on an airplane in the aisle or something like that, or in a phalanx, right? So enjoy that. Thank you very much. And um, spend some time with bamboo too. Man, it's a lot to learn.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.